She once said, "Sometimes life breaks you just to see what you're made of." No one believed her. No one expected her to rise. But this is the story of a woman who turned her deepest pain into unstoppable power. She grew up quiet, invisible, the kind of girl people talked over, walked past, and underestimated without even thinking. Her world wasn't soft. It was loud, harsh, and unforgiving. She fought battles no one saw, broken trust, lonely nights, and dreams that felt too big for the life she was living. Every time she tried to stand, life pushed harder. Every time she tried to speak, someone silenced her. Every time she tried to dream, reality reminded her where she came from. But pain has a way of becoming fuel. The turning point didn't happen in some dramatic moment. It happened on a random Tuesday with tears on her face and doubt in her chest when she looked in the mirror and whispered, "Enough, I'm done surviving. It's time to start living." She didn't suddenly become fearless. She just got tired of letting fear make her decisions. So she made one choice, a choice that changed everything. She decided to believe in herself before anyone else did. She began with small steps, waking up early, writing her goals, cutting off the voices that drained her energy. She replaced excuses with effort and self-doubt with discipline. Every day she broke one limit. Every day she proved one thing wrong, not to others, but to herself. People laughed at her dreams. They called her unrealistic. They said she wasn't strong enough, talented enough, or confident enough. But she turned those words into motivation. Every insult became fire. Every setback became a lesson. Every failure became a stepping stone. And slowly, the girl everyone overlooked became the woman no one could ignore. She started a small online business from her tiny room with nothing but a cheap laptop, a big dream, and a fire in her soul. She learned skills, took courses, failed, tried again, failed bigger, and kept going. And that business, it didn't just grow, it exploded. Within 2 years, she was running a brand people admired. Within 3, she was mentoring others. Within 5, she was invited on stages to share her story, the story people once told her would never matter. Her pain became her message. Her struggle became someone else's hope. Her voice, the one she was always told to silence, now inspires thousands. She didn't rise because life got easier. She rose because she got stronger. And today, when people ask her how she did it, she simply smiles and says, "I stopped waiting for someone to save me and learned to save myself." So, here's the lesson. Life will test you. People will doubt you. Pain will try to break you. But power is something you build from the pieces. Remember this: your story isn't over. Your pain is not your ending. It's your beginning. Turn it into fuel. Turn it into fire. Turn it into power.